Ka bor sensyar jong ke West Giant Hills District kala thaw ya ke komiti basangut ki dekhot bantok kit benia. Halor ke jingiap jong ke kong punche bare ka ba armet na Jalapet East Giant Hills kabalaklat no ha maternity and child hospital MCH Jowai ha kamit Sautarik Jeliu. U Deputy Commissioner Avinav Kumar Singh IAS ula ong yakani habakren syakilat pathai khubor ha ka santarik ujeliu. Ha ka jing shisha kani ka jing yap kani ka longkmie ka dei ka jing ja ka basngosi la ong UDC. Habayat hu ya ka report ka bayo lum na ka Superintendent MCH. UDC ulayat hu bakani ka longkmie la sumar ningkong hasu tengah CHC ha ka artarik ujeliu ringkat ka jing ujor bakami snam. Ha ka lai tarik kata ka sengi baar, ha ka por kat ar sapu ar baje no pai sengi. La pediang iaka ha MCH Jowai kat kum ka jing ajing mut na ka sutengah CHC. Ula ong bat benrap banamar ka jing shitom kamla ban bam ya ki jing bam. Ha ka sautarik ujeliu u doktor badai pej ula jurip ya ka jinglong jingman jongka. Ha ka por ar baje no pai sengi ka jinglong jingman jongka kala biang bha. Ha ka por san lai po baje janmit kala utsu haki benta ka kpo bat lapen kendriak no ya ka syaka higher dependency unit kabadon hapo ka jingpej u medical officer la ong shushu UDC. Ha ka por ndriu arpo beje janmit biang la rekod biang ya ka jinglong jingman ka jing shitom kani ka longkmie. Ha ka por prash po beje janmit ka jing shitom jongka kala sedang banjur wat hadian ka jing sumar bat kemi benya da u medical officer bat ha ka por kendai khatsan baje menmien la penbena bakala klat no ulaong. Ula pentip bala thaw ya ka internal committee da ka superintendent ka MCH ban pej ya ka ni ka kam bat ban ai ya ka kaipon. Ka kenhun ka bakerpang na ka Directorate of Health Services ka balakli da i joint director ru kila wan jengo ya ka ni ka hospital bat sedang ya la ka jong ka kam wat benya. Da ka balum jingtip na ki officer ka kot ka khia ki doktor kenthei ki doktor khna bat ki wei ki bayadan benta. Ha ka kerdan jongi na ka bor sencar district bandon ke jing tohkit ka baklem sya liang nilathung ya ka ADC ka kong bibla ban kli ya ka komiti ka ban pej benya bat wat benya ya ki ki daw ba wanja ka di ka jingja ong using. Ula ong ru bakila kentu ya ka East Giant Hills bantung ya i doktor gynecologist bat doktor pediatrician ban kentup ya ka komiti basangun. La betha ya ka komiti ban IT ya ka kaipot jongka hapo ka skiningkong. Ula ong shushu ondala dep kani ka jing tohkit ngin sakhot ya ka jingelang ha ka bayade bat ka jinglap jingshem ka komiti ki badon ha MCH hospital ne ha ka bayade bat ki weipat ki jaka sumaru bat halor kata on sabu ya ka jing ajimut jongi.
Actually, it's an unfortunate death of a lady by the name of Pinche Bare, who is from Jalapet East Giant Hills. What has been reported that she has passed away on 4th of June at 9:30 p.m. in MCH Hospital Jowai. How the sequence of event which has been informed by the superintendent of MCH is that on 2nd of June, or that is on Monday, she was admitted in Sutanga CHC. She had initially a complaint of bleeding. On 3rd, that is Tuesday at 12:42, she was admitted to the Jowai MCH Hospital on the recommendation from the previous health institution. It was told that by the medical officer that she was not taken any food, she could not take any food because of certain complications which have developed. And then on 4th, 6th, she was seen by a consultant and reviewed. At 2 p.m. her condition was stable. At 5:30 p.m. there was a pain in abdomen on 4th, that is yesterday, and she was shifted to a high dependency unit. Technically for high dependency unit, she was under constant monitoring of a medical officer. At 6:20 again the pain was there, which has been recorded. At 8:10 on 4th of June, her condition was started to deteriorate. Then after multiple set of things, it was reported at 9:15, it was declared that she passed away. So this is the sequence of event which has happened so far. An internal committee has been constituted by the medical superintendent herself also to oversee that what is the scenario and to ascertain the facts of the case. She has also to submit the report to us, which will be done later by today. Also, a team from the Director Health Services headed by a Joint Director has visited the MCH hospital, which they are undergoing their own set of fact finding and inquiry. wherein they are taking the facts from the medical officers who were involved in this particular case, also from the gynecologist, the pediatrician, etc. At our level from the district administration, to have an impartial inquiry, we have appointed our ADC, Madam Bla, to head a committee which will be looking into and fact finding for what are the reasons to ascertain the actual reality of the case. To ensure impartiality, we have asked and requested from East Jaintia Hills for deputing the gynecologist of their hospital, also along with the pediatrician. So it would be a 4-member committee. DMHO will also be a part of it. So, and we have asked the ADC to submit the report maximum by Monday. On the basis of the report, then necessary action will be taken. To do on similar lines, once this inquiry gets concluded, we are going to chair again a meeting with regard to finding of the lacunas or the gaps which are there with regard to the MCH hospital or with regard to other health facilities also. And on the basis of that, our recommendation will be put forward.